Hi friends, this video shows how to set date time in PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, to go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system, select date and time. Then select set date and time. So here we can see two options: set manually, set using internet. First, let me set manually. Select set manually. Here we can select date. Then here we can set the time. Then select OK. Done. If you want to set date and time using internet, select this second option, set using internet. Then enable this set automatically. So PS5 will automatically set date and time using internet. So this way we can set date and time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.